The software suite is normally set up in several phases. During software installation, register the domain, create the archive volume, connect and set up hardware, create layouts, and assign user rights. First, specify the settings in the Archive and Devices tabs. You may also need the Detection Tools, Users, and Programming tabs. After you create at least one camera in the Devices tab, you can proceed to the Interfaces section to save the layout. Let's take a closer look at the Devices tab. In the Domain Properties section, you can rename the domain and get information about the product's license, such as the number of licensed objects, the license serial number and its expiration date. In the Computer Object Settings, you can check the server's network name, server and client software versions and the license status. To the right of the Settings panel, you can configure connections to the web server. You can find the list of devices connected to the server at the bottom of the screen. To send emails, click Create Email Notifier and specify the details. If you prefer sending emails via cloud or a specified SMTP server, don't forget that cloud's notifications limit is 10 messages per day. After that, create a macro that you will use to send email notifications. To send text messages via SMS, click Create SMS Notifier and specify the details. You'll need a USB modem connected to your PC for this module work properly. In the Macro Settings section, set the parameters to send text messages. To play an audio file, you need to create a speaker object and specify the path to the file. You can activate audio playback with a macro. To automatically export videos and still frames, create an export agent. Then start exporting images using a macro. To remove a server from the domain, click Remove from Axon Domain, GUI, Exclude from Domain, then confirm the action. To create a video device or an event source within your system, click Add Device.